Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend resting and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Ones I want you to really be focusing on is our eagle eye and our stretchy snake. So eagle eye is when we look at pictures in our book to help us with a word. Our stretchy snake is when we look at letters in the word and we stretch out the sounds and put the sounds together slowly. You can use any of these strategies to help you, but mainly focus on those two. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Ready? Kipper. K-I-P-P-Er. You have a go for me? Lovely job. Let's try it all together one more time. Kipper. K-I-P-P-Er. Kipper. Lovely. Well done. So the book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Kipper and the Trolls. Let's go and have a read. Boys and girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Kipper and the Trolls. Mum was going to make a cake. She wanted Kipper to help. Mum gave Kipper an apron. Then she looked at his hands. "What dirty hands," said Mum. Mum looked at Kipper's nails. Kipper's nails were long. "Let me cut them," said Mum. Kipper made a fuss. He didn't want Mum to cut his nails. He didn't want to wash his hands. "I must cut your nails," said Mum. "No, no, no," said Kipper as he ran out of the room. Kipper ran into Biff's room. Biff looked at Kipper's long, dirty nails. "Yuck," said Biff. "You look like a troll." "It's not fair," said Kipper. But then the cube began to glow. It was time for a magic adventure. The magic took them to a stream. There was a bridge over the stream. Biff wanted to cross the bridge. We can pick the flowers over there," she said. "Come on." Kipper ran after Biff, but there were trolls under the bridge. Suddenly the trolls jumped out. "Oh no," said Kipper. "Trolls can be nasty." "Hip hip hooray," sang the trolls. "This is the troll bridge. Do come across." "Will you eat us up?" said Kipper. "No, no, we will not," sang the trolls. "We are not nasty," said a troll. "We just look nasty." "Nobody likes us," said the troll. "We want to have a party, but nobody wants to come." The trolls went under the bridge. They got the party food and set out the party. "Tuck in," said a troll. The trolls had long, dirty nails. "Yuck," said Kipper. "Look at her long, dirty nails." "Look at the troll food," said Biff. "Have a slug bun," said a troll, "or some slime jelly." "Have a mud mint," said another troll. "Mud mints are yummy." "Yuck," said Biff. "Have some butt pie," said a troll. "Yuck," said Kipper. "Look at his hands." Suddenly the key began to glow. The adventure was over. "At last," said Kipper. The magic took them home. Kipper washed his hand and then he went to get his nails cut. "I'm not a troll," said Kipper. "Trolls have dirty hands and long nails. Yuck." Now that I've finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. Once you have finished, if you are struggling, you can listen to this video again or down here Oxford Owl has a play button and they will read it to you. So boys and girls, now that you have finished reading your book, you should be on to Kahoot. You can access Kahoot by typing it into Google at kahoot.it, or you can download it from the App Store. So your first quiz pin for this book is 08869393. Let's enter. Here is what your Kahoot will look like. Don't forget that you have a timer, so make sure you have your thinking caps on. To join the game, enter your name and click OK Go. Once you have completed, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture to show us your fabulous work. Enjoy and have fun.